Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I created for you guys today. It's a very cranberry look and a very smoky look. So you can use this as a date night or prom, because I know it's prom season and it's coming up. And yeah, let's get into the video. Thank you guys. Okay, so I already prepped my eye. I already have my eyeshadow base and I used the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I already set it as well with the translucent setting powder. And for the eyeshadow today, we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. And it looks like this. And mainly the section that I'm going to be using is this area right here. We're going with burgundy rose and like rose gold type of look today. So we're gonna go ahead and try those colors out. And I'm also gonna be using the Fenty Beauty the eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. It's so pretty. I'm going to be grabbing this color right here. This one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my brow bone highlight first. Cause that way when I apply the eyeshadows, it blends in nicely. And that color is called Beam. And now I'm gonna go in with the blending brush. And this is in M511, the Morphe brush. And for a transition color, we're gonna go in with this one right here, which is called Buns. And we're gonna use that as our transition shade. And then blend it upwards towards the brown bone highlight. So then after I'm done applying the crease color, I'm gonna go in with my double-sided Anastasia brush. This came in my Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm gonna use the little blending small brush that it came with. And we're gonna go in with this color right here. I'm actually gonna mix it in with this red one as well. So we're gonna mix those two together. And those shades are called Hunts and Jacz. And we're gonna apply that a little bit below the crease area. Okay, now that we have that blended, I'm gonna flip the brush and use this flat side of the brush. And we're gonna go in with this color right here. And we're gonna apply it out here in the outer corner area. And it's a shimmery color. And that one's called Cranapple. And we're gonna apply that right here. I'm actually going to apply that same color, that Cranapple that we used, all over the lid. And I'm gonna try it out with my finger first. Cause I'm kind of going for like a smoky eye. Like a like a Cranapple. Or like a cranberry type look. And then I want to make it more darker on the outer corner. So we're going to go in with this brown right here and mix it in with this one as well. And that one is called Chip and Soda Pop. And I'm actually gonna take it in the Morphe N506 brush. And I'm just applying it right here in the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go back in with the same blending brush that we used. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid area, because we're gonna be applying glitter to this look. And we're gonna start in the center and bring it all the way. And then I'm going to grab the Fenty palette, and we're gonna go in with this pinky shade right here, and we're gonna apply that all over. And then I'm gonna grab it with the same brush that I used. And then pack it in the middle. Oh my god. This phone is not picking up how beautiful it looks. For the inner corner, we're gonna go in with this shade right here, and that one is called Faint, and we're gonna apply that in our inner corner. And then just a little bit more. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply a wing, and I will be doing that off camera. So I'll be right back, okay? So the eyeliner's done. Came out super dramatic. I took the tape off as well, so that's why I have a sharp line. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use a black liner. And I'm actually gonna apply the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean. Do you guys remember these? These are the old school OGs. And I'm actually gonna take a little small detail brush, and it's the Morphe N508, and I'm gonna smudge it a little bit with this black color right here, and that one's called, and we're gonna apply that to set the bottom part. So now that's set. I'm gonna grab the same little the small shader brush, and I'm gonna use the same transition colors that we used on our crease. These three right here. So I'm gonna be using those colors. And we're gonna apply it down below with a black end and smudge it. Apply some false lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Allure Grand Glamour lashes by Vegas Nate. They're very dramatic, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on, and I also went ahead and did mascara off camera. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our face because the eyes are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Anastasia contour kit, and I'm gonna be using Java, which was this one, to to contour. And we're gonna go ahead and grab an angle brush. And I'm using the Luxie 504 large angle brush. I'm gonna apply some on our temples. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Trust Fund Beauty That Glow Though highlighting stick. And we're gonna apply that on the high points of our cheeks. And I'm gonna go in with the AMREZY Highlight from Anastasia. And we're gonna And then for blush, I'm actually going to use this little stain from Benefet. I got this a long time ago in an Ipsy bag when I used to do Ipsy. And it looks like a little nail polish brush. We're going to apply that on our cheekbone. And if you don't know where to apply it, just grin a little bit. I thought this was gonna feel nasty, but it actually doesn't. You can't even feel it. Okay, so I'm satisfied with that. I'm actually gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips as well. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with the Lumiere lip pencil from Colourpop, and we're gonna line our lips with it. We're gonna go in with this Cargo Cosmetic lip gloss. And this is in the shade Angula. And we're gonna apply that in the middle. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh, I like it. Oh yes. So this is the final look. It's very smoky. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.